Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the TP07 with the TP10 from Dyson and what are the important things that you need to know. So important thing is that they are literally the same, but with the TP07 having Wi-Fi and able to push out air from the back. So this is the first thing, and the second thing. Now also, and that's something that I found, is that for removing buttons, they're literally the same, but the Gen 1 doesn't have any connective features. You'll have to control using the remote and you won't be able to set a schedule. So this is like another thing. The Gen 1 is important to know. And another thing is that when you look here on some specs, even the specs, they are really similar. And I just want to make this like quick video for you. So the primary difference is that TP07 having Wi-Fi and able to push out air from the back, and also the Gen 1, the TP10 doesn't have any connective features. You will have to control it using the remote and you won't be able to set a schedule. So just wanted to share these thoughts for you. Have a great day and goodbye.